Oats are a popular breakfast choice for health enthusiasts worldwide. You can soak them overnight with yogurt and berries, blend them into smoothies, mix them into pancake batter, or cook them into porridge. Their high nutritional value makes them a favorite among nutritionists. If you haven't tried them yet, here are some health benefits that might convince you to. 1. Weight loss. If you're dieting, oatmeal can be your best friend. A cup provides 16.5 grams of fiber, 66% of your daily needs, and 26.35 grams of protein, making it filling and keeping you satisfied longer. The beta-glucan in oats also helps by promoting the release of the fullness hormone, PAI, which can help prevent overeating. 2. Blood sugar levels. Whether you've been diagnosed with diabetes, are at risk of it, or are just trying to keep a check on your blood sugar levels, oatmeal might be helpful. The beta-glucan in oats is believed to form a thick gel that delays the emptying of the stomach and slows down the absorption of glucose into the blood. This keeps you from getting a sugar crash. To see how quickly a food raises blood sugar, check its glycemic index, GI. High GI foods spike blood sugar, and are linked to type 2 diabetes and obesity. Oats, with a low GI of 55, don't cause these spikes. 3. Prevents constipation. If you struggle with constipation, oats may help. While laxatives can ease constipation, they may lead to weight loss and affect quality of life. Studies show that oat bran, the fiber-rich outer layer, can relieve constipation, especially in older adults. In one study, 59% of elderly patients who consumed oat bran daily were able to stop using laxatives after 3 months. 4. Asthma. Oats are often used topically for skin conditions like eczema and are common in facial masks. For children, oats might also help with asthma. While early introduction of some solid foods can increase the risk of asthma, studies show that introducing oats before 6 months may actually reduce this risk. 5. Lower cholesterol levels. As mentioned earlier, the beta-glucan in oats makes them sticky, thick, and gel-like. This particular fiber in oats is what makes it ideal to lower cholesterol levels. A review of 58 clinical trials on oats that included 3,974 people across the globe found that an average daily intake of 3.5 grams of soluble fiber from oats reduced LDL, bad, cholesterol levels by 4.2%. It was also found to reduce other markers of bad cholesterol by 4.8% and the protein on these particles, APOB, by 2.3% when compared to the group of people that didn't consume oats. 6. Heart. Regular oat consumption may support heart health. A meta-analysis of 18 studies found a 21% lower risk of heart disease in those with the highest whole grain intake, including oats. Another study of 54,871 Danish adults showed that high whole grain intake, especially from oats and rye, was linked to a 25% lower risk of heart attack in men and 27% in women.